Welcome to my channel, One Down, Four Up. This is my bike Mad Max and the beautiful mountain scenery surrounding Tucson. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. Now on with the show. Hello YouTuber subscribers and friends. Welcome to my first moto vlog of the year. January 1st, 2015. Testing out my new mic. New Sony Handycam Action hdr-as 20. We got some rain forecast for today. Normally I wouldn't go out riding, but don't have nothing else to do. Just laying around the house watching TV. Watched Rocky 2. I want to go out in this 41 degree temperature, take the big boy out to run. So the very first day of the year, we got snow on the mountain here. I woke up early this morning, came out and saw snow everywhere. And there's a lot of traffic out today. I'm going to take a run through this World National Monument and check out the snow. You can see the snow in the mountains already. We get snow down all the way down to 3,000 foot elevation, the news says. And I just want to go check out the view. Visor's fogging up. Look at all those clouds. Snow on the mountain. The main mountain out north of Tucson, the Santa Catalina Mountains. They said they got up to 7 inches of snow up there. Open my visor, can't see. Play in the snow. I don't know if they had the road open or not. The first time it rained, not rained, but snowed. They closed the road down that goes up to the mountain. And that was just very little snow. They have 7 inches up there, they said. This morning, all that mountain right there had snow all over it. The sun came out for a couple hours. It's all melting away. I don't know how the audio is going to be on this new mic with this external setup, but we will see. Snow over there. That mountain over there doesn't get snow on it too much. See the squirrel cactus. There's that flapping noise. I got my motorcycle ski mask on. That helps the coldness off my neck. There's something flapping. What the hell is flapping? I forgot to put my helmet strap on. Had to pull over and put that strap on. There's the Close Encounter Mountains there, that's what I call it. A lot of bicyclers out today, mountain bikers. Let me get this helmet strap taken care of. Oh, it is chilly, man. My fingertips are starting to get chilly. Let's take my clothes off, put my helmet strap on. Yeah, that's the mountain that Close Encounters movie. The guy made the out of mashed potatoes. He made a mountain out of mashed potatoes. That's what that mountain reminds me of every single time I pass it. And that house right next to it, that reminds me of the Jawas from Star Wars, the transporter. Trying to get this chin strap thing. Oh, that's nice. Fed it through and then refit it back through. Same freaking outlet. Man, your helmet thing gets clogged up quick. Can't feel anything. My fingertips are freezing. Normally my wife helps me with this before I go out the door. Too busy playing Candy Crush. Well, I hope everybody had a safe and exciting New Year's Eve. Me, myself, my kids and family went to bed early. I stayed up late, watched some fireworks on the TV. Okay, is it clear? Watching fireworks on TV. You get all the good shots. See all that snow over there? There's a lot of traffic out today. I'm surprised. Go through the Sorrel National Monument. I got sweatpants underneath this icon mesh pants. I can still feel the coolness coming through. They'll probably be hot as hell to wear in the summertime. I've got a collar on. Poco's up there. The guy flashed the headlights. Oh man, you know what? I don't have my GPS on, so I don't know how fast I'm going. Well, I'm sure I stay behind this guy, I'll be there. What was it, 40 miles per hour through here? Woo, I need some winter gloves. My fingertips are freezing. There's beautiful snow on the mountains there. 35 miles per hour. See how fast I'm going. I got a speed limit thing at 2,000 RPM. 35 miles per hour is what it says. There's the Poco, I see. Probably gonna look at me like, I got a camera on my helmet. It's a nice day, even though it's chilly, 41 degrees. We got a lot of snow to go playing up there in the mountains. Oh, the sun is shining good in Tucson. this cold weather because normally I would not ride out and this stuff, but I was so bored at home. My family just wants to lay around the house today that I'm like, I'm going to go out in the cold. My wife was shocked. She's like, you're going to go ride in the cold? I'm like, yeah, it's better than sitting here watching Rocky 3. I already watched 1 and 2. I don't feel like doing a marathon movie of Rocky movies. I decided to risk the cold. Come experience what my fellow moto bloggers in the north and northeast experience each and every day in wintertime. I feel for you, brothers. I feel for you. Last time I came out here recording, my battery went dead on my camera. I was filming with my Fuji Fine Pix XP55 camera, which I'm retired now because it just doesn't make videos very good anymore. Got this guy riding on my ass. Nice twisties, but popo in the area. Look at those beautiful mountains of Tucson. That's a taxi cab, right? What are my plans for 2015? Well, make more videos, that's for sure. Try to master this motovlogging. Motovlogging is not easy. It looks easy. Some of you guys out there make it look real easy, but it's not. Not only is it not easy, it's expensive. Some of you have 2 or 3 cameras, mounted in different directions, different positions. Not me. Man, them GoPros, $400 or $500 a piece. Those drifts, same thing. You know, those $300 or $400. This Sony camera I got, that was $250. That came with a remote though. There we go, beautiful view shot right here, money shot. Yeah, then you gotta, get the microphone, software for uploading. You gotta have a bike, gear for the bike. So it can add up, especially some of you guys out there riding on those Ducatis, big name brand bikes. That's just way too much money for me, especially for someone I'm going to ride every day. That's not my daily driver. This is just to go out and tool around on the time when I have time off and stuff. Whoa, what is it I'm doing? That's like a freaking metal hose pipe. Let this guy get off my ass. I don't like headlights. Look at those beautiful shots over there, man. Beautiful scenery. Nobody else coming? Back home a different way. I'm freezing. My hands are freezing. That's the Santa Catalina Mountains north of Tucson. See the beautiful views we have here in Arizona. They're definitely probably having a good time up there in the snow. Wait till the clouds rise up and you can really see the snow. joining me in this new 2015 year. Remember, if you like the video, hit the like button. As always, leave a comment. I'll respond. If you take the time to leave a comment, I'll take the time to respond. And share these videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I'm always looking forward to new subscriptions. And it's cold out here. Thanks for taking the time out to watch my videos, and look forward to 2015. This has been a One Down Pora production. That's a wrap.